my fellow country people, my brother them, my sister them, my fellow kingsmen for Southern Cameroon, for Ambazonia. My name is Capo Daniel. I send this message regarding the lockdown way the IG either announced that lockdown way na their commander for Meme and Manfi be decide for their meeting, say me be lockdown day. We never get any information whether na because they begin operation or not. But in any case, I want to advise the population for Manfi and for Meme in particular, me the Shidonko house during this day. And I want to talk, say, the people where they live for Ground Zero, they confused. Me they understand, say, for this struggle, you get more than one organization where they speak on the interest of all man, they talk for, on behalf of all man. So Maurice, he don't talk, say, me this goes down, it be cancer. This lockdown, it be cancer. So put up for your head, some group, then they way talk, say me it be cancer, so one day talk, say me it go before. But whether you didn't for the one way it be cancer or not, all man need to be very careful during the day there. And when I say a Kelebe that they wear civilian uniform, they work among people for ambush Ambazonian fighter them. So as when they do an operation, Mona be very careful. I send this message out for Amber boys in particular. No use your stick against any civilian. If you need to use your stick and you see say any civilian it be in your side, you know get a clear direct way if you see a Kelebe, go back go shoot down for us. Under no circumstances should an Ambazonian fighter kill or neutralize any civilian. If you kill one Ambazonian civilian, you are worse than a La Republique, a Kelebe who have killed 10 Ambazonian civilians. Put the people first. The people are more important than the land. The people are more important than the struggle because we are fighting for the people, not for ourselves. We must put the people first. It was not by force or by gunpoint that the people came out on the 1st and 22nd of September and 1st of October 2017. It was by their free will. Engage the population, represent the population. If the population decide to say that this fight will stop, it will stop because we can. It is the people to exercise that right of self-determination. So even as we put the peoples first, we put the nation also first. All na one way. But no matter what it happen, put Ambazonian life first. If you receive order for your commander for home and the one for diaspora, say me you open fire for Ambazonian civilian or for a Kelebe way for inside civilian the middle, deny for use for exercise that fire. Because if you kill one civilian, na a crime. And any person where he give you that instruction, he say me you do am. Send that person in name for me, Capo Daniel. We will take him up for justice. We will fight for justice for all Southern Cameroonians, including for enemies within and for enemies without. So put the population, their interest and their love first before any other policy. We will always continue the fight. So now my message is for now. And my message for the other people, for other zone them, we now also try for Shidong, better Shidong for us than for go be sorry that day. The Amber boy, the way they know they for the group, the way they for under the IG, they fight now for one thing. So now for all we will try to be as one as possible. When there is division, it means in our confusion. There are more than one organization that is representing our interests as a nation. It be normal for all over the world, more than one voice is a day. No be any confusion. When you get double information, now you go decide how to do. But in any case, put Ambazonian people first before the Ambazonian nation first. So now my name, now me this Capo Daniel, they send this message. So muna look out those who now be Amber boy them, I will una for Manfi and when they don't talk, so muna go for outside, go do the lockdown. And they tell una say muna be careful. If una need to raise roadblock or anything, una need to be caution because people then they for outside where they use na civilian dresses. Be very careful because we don't see for ndop. Say a Kelebe they don't plan for ambush people then to this same day. So una be wise. Una put una security first. Muna no go day for this. So una want take some video for send for we for diaspora or for send for people them. It be encouraging. We understand the need for make those videos for una recruitment and also for raise funds. But at the same time, put your life first. That fight not be one day. Learn from the ADF. Learn from the Sukadef. How when they do tactical retreat. For fight no be suicide. Now for make a me the enemy, me I give a life, no be you give your life. So put the people first, put your safety first, and put our nation first. God bless you.